What is up, you guys? It is Joelle and I am back with another makeup video. So with 4th of July just around the corner, I wanted to do a few super simple 4th of July looks that are still appropriate or easy, feasible to do for a family-friendly occasion, or for any of you guys who want to experiment with a little more color but don't want to do so in an extremely aggressive way. Oh, and these looks, if you obviously could tell from the title, they're inspired by Red Velvet. I recently watched a Red Velvet video. I'm not much of a K-pop person yet, but my friend showed me the Zimzalabim music video, and some of their makeup looks were so good, and I was just overall super impressed. So I just thought it'd be fun to pull a little inspiration from some of the looks that were there, because I thought they were super unique and playful, but in a kind of understated way. So if any Red Velvet fans, if you have any song recommendations or music video recommendations I should check out, let me know in the comments. Let's get on into the makeup. Like I said, I am doing 3 different looks, and in this tutorial I'm only going to be changing my eyes. The rest of my base is staying the same. So we're going to start with the first look, and I'm going to get you guys a little closer so you can see what's going on. Alrighty, so to get started with the first look, it was inspired by this look in the Red Velvet video. I thought it was super cool and just really low-key to have the dots along the sides. And in the music video, they're red. I am going to be playing around a little bit with colors as I don't have a super bright red eyeshadow, but we're going to make it work. And I think I'm going to be mixing this Juvia's Place kind of reddish pink with a little bit of like a darker red from my Naked palette. If you can tell, the lighting in this room is not fantastic. I literally have my Dartmouth calendar here as a light bounce. You do what you gotta do. So for this, I'm literally just taking the thinnest brush I possibly can find, and I'm gonna be mixing these 2 colors to make 3 dots that get slightly smaller. I want it just to continue the line from my lower lash line up, as if it's like a wing or something. Okay, so I did that with the Urban Decay one. I'm gonna go now in with my Juvia's Place palette. If you don't have a brush that's super precise, I'd recommend wetting whatever brush you have. That's what I did. So we have our little dots done. Just to add a little pizzazz to the look, I'm gonna go in with a really neutral shimmery shade from the Marc Jacobs palette, because it's 4th of July. Glitter just seems appropriate. I'm gonna be using a combination of these 2. This is the Lolita palette. I'm just gonna use my fingers because I don't want it to get brushed over where the dots are. I'm just focusing it more on the inner half of my eye, and I'm just dotting it on my lower inner corner as well. And then for mascara, I'm literally just curling my lashes and adding the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And there it is, a super easy makeup look number 1. The second makeup look is pretty much as easy as the first one and as simple, but I still think looks relatively good. Just starting out with my Naked Basics palette, just to form a little bit of a neutral base. I'm using Naked 2, just taking a wide eyeshadow brush and I'm brushing that all over. I just think it adds some nice depth really easily with literally just 1 shade. And then I'm actually going to start this eye look with a white eyeliner. This is just from NYX. And I'm gonna be drawing basically a wing. I want it to actually be the guide of where my eyeliner actually goes. I'm just starting from my outer corner and I'm just gonna extend it out and up and continuing along the angle from my lower lash line. And then I'm actually just gonna take this super bright blue eyeliner from Wet n Wild. I think it was literally like $5. And I'm gonna line my eyes, and then the wing is gonna follow that white stripe, but it's not gonna cover it all the way. It's just gonna leave a little hint of the white under to peek out. And this might be really hard for me to do on camera, so bear with me. If you want, you can add a little bit of red. I'm just gonna add a little bit of lumber from my Naked Heat palette to my lower lash line. Just add a little bit of sparkle. And I'm gonna take Ounce from the Naked Heat palette as well and pop that on the inner corner for a little brightening, because you know, red, white, and blue. And there you have it. I just touched up my mascara, and this is the final look. It's definitely still very simple, but I think looks really good with the very like understated subtle white stripe under your eyeliner. I love doing this a lot actually, even on a regular day, but Yeah! I'm mad I forgot to include this in this look because I just forgot. But I wanted to add these little Milk Makeup star stamps. They're super adorable. Boop. So just pretend it's not this makeup look, it's the makeup look we're currently on, but with like that. Cute, right? Yeah. Yes. Alrighty, so this last makeup look is probably the most intense, most likely to go wrong, and we're just gonna see how it goes. And this last one is inspired by this look in the Red Velvet video. I really liked how they just like cut their eyes in half with color. They didn't really try to blend in the crease or anything conventional, and I'm gonna do something similar with slightly different colors. Obviously, use whatever colors you have. I am going more for a little bit of like a pinky situation with this color. Starting with this pink from Juvia's Place. It is very pigmented, so I am just lightly dusting it on the inner half of my eye. And for the blue, I'm attempting to use two eyeliners or like shadow sticks. I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup shadow liner in Hustler and then the NYX retractable eyeliner. And I'm just gonna try to warm these up on my skin a little bit and kind of use my fingers to dab this navy color all over. So while my fingers are a mess, I'm gonna go back into the Juvia's Place palette and amplify the pinkish red we got going on. And I'm just gonna be using my finger to blend down that line in the center. And since it's 4th of July, just trying to have more fun with it, I am actually layering this really shimmery pink on top of the red. And I like to use my fingers with it because I don't have brushes to make it too precise, so this is as precise as we're gonna get. I can't decide if I liked it better with or without the shimmer, but up to you on what you want to do. If you want, you can feel free to go in it and darken the blue on the outer corners as well. I just kind of like this like faded look a little bit. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to be going back to my Marc Jacobs palette using a lighter shimmery color like this one, and I'm going to put it on my inner corner. And from there, I'm actually going to take the thinner NYX eyeliner and just line the outer half of my eyes. And I'm also going to highlight with Ounce from the Naked palette on my brow bone. This is the finished look. This is ridiculously easy, and I think it looks like Trix yogurt, which is always a plus. Turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Anyways, y'all, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these 4th of July makeup looks, and I hope you guys have wonderful Independence Days with friends, family, whatever you guys happen to be doing. I know that the United States, it can be hard to celebrate the US sometimes. We definitely have our struggles, but I hope that this day can just be a celebration of the opportunities that it has brought you. I know moving to the US brought my family a ton more opportunities than we would have had my parents stayed in their respective countries, and they would have never met, so huge, I'm alive. But I also hope that the 4th of July is also always a reminder of where we're going and how we can be moving forward as a country, and all the progress that has yet to be made, that we can try to do our part to help progress. So thank you guys so much for watching this janky little makeup tutorial. I hope you guys found inspired to just do something fun, maybe a little bit more out of your comfort zone. If you'd like to subscribe, please feel free to do so. I upload a ton of lifestyle content, vlogs, college videos as I'm a student, beauty, lifestyle, fashion, that sort of thing. Please feel free to join the J team, where no one's a bench warmer, everyone's a playmaker. Yeah, come join the family. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and feel free to follow me on all my social medias, which are always linked down below or just doing right here for your convenience. Love you guys so much. Happy 4th of July, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through, everything around us feeling minuscule.